Hey everyone, this is Humberto and I'm here in one of the plastic surgery capitals of the world, Beverly Hills. What do you think about plastic surgery?
If it makes people feel better about themselves, I don't see what's wrong with it.
Pues es bien, porque así uno también abre más su mente.
Why do that? I mean, you gotta be thankful for what God gave you.
Oh wait, but what about Brazilian butts? Do you like Brazilian butts?
Oh yeah, Brazilian butt's cool, yeah.
Okay, and why do people get plastic surgery? To discuss these issues, we're hanging out with Dr. Anthony Griffin from Extreme Makeover. Doctor.
What?
Come on.
Why?
Why do people get plastic surgery?
Because they need it. Yeah. They need it. Well, I think people get plastic surgery because they find something that they're unhappy with. It's not so much they want to look more beautiful, but sometimes people have distractions, and they want to get rid of those distractions.
What's the most common thing that people ask for when they come in here?
Well, right now, for my practice, it's a Brazilian butt lift. I mean,
Really?
people want bigger booties, and the butt is in.
Okay.
J-Lo, Beyonce, and the curves like you see in the beaches of Brazil are in.
Now you have a lot of celebrity clientele,
Yep.
but you can't say who.
I can mention a couple.
Okay.
Snow White.
Okay. Snow White. Why don't you go show us the OR, which stands for? And it took me
Operating room.
Operating room. I didn't get that when you first said it. Let's go check it
All
out.
right, let's go.
Now, what goes on in this room?
So that's the anesthesia cart. We have a board-certified anesthesiologist that does all their work. They keep all their equipment there. This is the anesthesia machine itself. This is where all the gases come out. These are all the monitors to make sure everything's done safely. This is the table.
Since we're on the subject of meat, what do you think? I'm saving up.
You're saving up. I think you should get a nice set of D cups.
Okay, you know what I want to ask you? What I might save up for?
What?
Ear reduction.
I would say no. Well, not reduce. Just pin them back a little bit. Here, give me some pins, safety pins, please.
Now let's play a little game here. So first we got Veronica Castro, who's this major Latina host. She's been a beauty queen since she was younger, but she's getting a little older now.
She's getting a little
What do you
older.
think she's had done?
Well, what I can see, a couple things gives it away. She's had a facelift. She's had some lip work done. She looks like she's had a nose job as well. The other thing I do is I would add some filler to around her face to round it off in the lower face.
Don Francisco?
I think two things for him. One is he needs to soften his forehead and then get a little neck lift here.
One thing that I've been hearing about certain celebrities, and I hope I'm not pointing out a celebrity that's yours here, is a thing that we're kind of calling the Joker effect, right? It's when the smile is just like up into the cheeks here.
Meg Ryan is unfortunately a victim of bad plastic surgery. What they did was they pulled her too tight.
And Salma Hayek finally, do you think she's had anything? Or?
Yeah, well you can see her boobs were done.
Okay.
You can see her breasts were done, and they look a little juicy, but for my taste.
Yeah.
But
I like juice though.
I am the king of Hollywood.
All right, so we're outside the office now. Your gorgeous terrace. It must be nice working here, huh?
It is. It's a nice place to work.
After the Extreme Makeover came out, all these other shows came out as far as people going to get plastic surgery.
Yeah.
Some people got a little uppity about it.
Yeah.
Some people were like, wait a minute, are these shows really pushing more people to get plastic surgery when they don't need it? What's your response to that?
I would share those concerns, and I fought those concerns because people would come in, they would say, I want this, that, I saw it on TV, and I'd have to say, no.
Okay.
That was on TV on that particular patient, and maybe that's not a good thing for you.
Finally, I have to ask you about Michael Jackson. What happened to him?
He is actually a poster child for bad plastic surgery. Because people come to me and say, I don't care what you do, just don't make me look like him.
Like Michael Jackson.
Exactly.
Like Jacko. We're gonna leave you guys. We're gonna send it back to the studio. But you know what? Let's go clip my ears back. Maybe talk about that Brazilian
All right.
butt lift.
Yeah,
What
give
do
you a
you
little
say?
booty boom.
All right.
Wow.
Sending it back to the studio. Peace.